Hi, kindergartners. Okay, today we are going to keep practicing our retelling ability. So you're going to listen to this story, Arnie the Donut. It is so funny. I love this story. It's so creative and just I wish like my brain could create like beautiful stories like this author does. It's amazing. I love this story. Listen to this story all the way through and then try and find somebody in your house that you could tell all about this story. If you can't find someone in your house, tell a stuffed animal. You know, I talk to my dog like all the time. It's kind of weird. Like it might be weird, but I talk to my dog all the time. So you can tell your dog or a stuffed animal all about Arnie the Donut and what happened. Try to remember at least 2 character names when you're retelling, and try to give at least 3 major events that happen. So something that happened in the beginning, something that happened in the middle, and something that happened at the end. So 2 main character names, don't forget their names, it's important, and try and recall 3 major events, okay? Once you're done with that, click on the B button and practice some handwriting with me. Have a great rest of your day.